What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to do an install and a review of the Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions phone mount for my truck. So I think this fits 15 to 20 F-150s, and then I think it would be 17 to 21 or 22 Super Duties, somewhere along there. So Amazon graciously sent me this. Actually, I bought it, I'm just kidding. So here's the main piece that goes in the like where you put your sunglasses above the radio. Bag of hardware, real carbon fibre thing, which I'll show you kind of how that goes on here. And then with mine, so it comes with this real nice metal, this is like a universal phone holder. And then since I'm an iPhone guy, I got the MagSafe deal. So I obviously just reach in my pocket for my phone. I'm recording on it. So my phone will just stick on there, and it should just go in a real nice spot on the dash. So you can see these are somewhat customizable. It's got two nubbin things on it, so you can get another arm and mount an iPad or whatever else you might want to mount. So real quick before we get too far into this video, if you guys are watching me, you're probably an automotive YouTube content consumer, and if you haven't watched Ben Wiki and the Rob Pitts Rabbit stories, I highly suggest you do. The guy was hysterical, one of the best storytellers I've ever seen, and the way he tells stories and the stories he has kind of gives you a different perspective on life, maybe. At least it did for me. So I wanted to say rest in peace to him. He lost his battle with stomach cancer, and I'm going to put in my favorite clip of old Rabbit Pitts right now. So I'll also throw my favorite Ben Wiki video in the description that he did storytelling on. So let's throw that clip in here, rest in peace, and we'll get started with the install.
God help me, I got a race car.
All right, guys, so the first step, take the little mat thing out of here. We're gonna pop this up. There should be 4 little clips in here, and these ones are fighting me somewhat. You just gotta be careful to bend this thing. There we go. And we'll get the back ones. There we go. I think it was kind of a treat to get out of there. Okay, now we've got some 7mm bolts. So let me grab that 7mm. I believe these two are going to remove. Look how crappy that speaker is. So we'll grab those out of there real quick. Guess I could have got my Milwaukee powered ratchet. And these are angled to the back, so you can kind of see how I have that. And then I guess we're just gonna pop this thing up with that trim tool. I hate doing interior trim because it seems like I like to break clips. course, I picked a hot day to do this. Alright, we'll probably just have to get those out when we pull this up. Hopefully they don't go flying. So if you guys have the center speaker like mine does, you're gonna want to make sure when you get it up, that you unplug it so you aren't pulling your speaker wire there. And I didn't break the clips or yeet the screws, so that's a positive. Alright, got that part. Now we'll go to the next. I'll show you where we drill the holes and all that fun stuff. Alright guys, so what I did is I put this down in here and marked my holes. So now I'm just going to start drilling them out. Hopefully you guys can see this. Perfect. And then you have to use the bigger drill bit. They include both the drill bits. You don't have to worry about that. Just dump all this stuff out. So you can see, I just used the holes that were in there, marked it. I used a punch to mark it so the drill bit didn't walk. And now we'll start putting the hardware in. So like I said, they include everything. Don't tell my wife I'm using our new baseboards for our basement for this, but like I've got a keychain, I've got whatever this is, stickers. Oh, heck yeah, beer opener. And they include the wrenches and stuff for these little guys. All right, so now we'll start putting the hardware in. So like I said, this thing is like 90 bucks. I think I paid an extra 20 or something for the MagSafe mount. So I'm gonna fumble around and get these screws in here, and then we'll put her back in the truck, see how it works. All right guys, got this all in here. Now I'm gonna take that little mat thing, because I use that, you know, I set my sunglasses in here and stuff. I don't want them to get scratched up. So I'm gonna grab that and kind of trim it down so we can get it to fit down in there, and then we'll throw it back in the truck. All right guys, so I trimmed that out. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but you won't ever see it. I can still keep my sunglasses in there. So now let's go pop this bad boy in the truck.
Hi.
All right, so pop these front two clips in. Now we'll screw her back together. Got my helper in here with me. What's your name, little boy?
Cool.
Yeah.
we on the ride, Dada?
We are?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Go at the toys.
What toys do you want?
I want a motorcycle with Michelangelo.
Michelangelo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Yeah.
Guys, I should have started up the truck and got the AC going. It is hot. Cole, are you hot?
No.
Wait till you get older, dude. Still gotta tap that windshield.
Dada got here. Hi, Dada.
That's the proper torque, 5 inch-pounds. I can feel it by the clicks of my old wrists and shoulders. Built-in torque wrench. So I'll drop the good sunglasses down. All right, so then we're gonna put this bad boy back in. It goes. Just like that. All right, we're put together. So now, this is a really nice product. So it's got these different ends on it. Tighten them.
It's a good driver.
You got a screwdriver, dude?
Yeah.
Then we'll put the MagSafe part on here. So the cool thing is with these, you can buy different ends. I think I already said that, but you can get longer ones or different style mounts or whatever.
Is that thing so round?
Yep. You can tell this thing is going to be super secure on here. All right, grab the phone and try it out.
How you tools?
All right, guys, that's the finished product. So I put my phone there. It doesn't touch anything. It's not blocking the screen. I mean, this thing is freaking sturdy. So
Hi.
flip you around and see my helper. Say hi.
Hi.
Show them the tools you got. Did you help Dad?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that wraps it. So eventually I might get something else to put on the right side. I don't really have anything else I want to put up there. I don't know if maybe put the iPad up there for the kids on like a road trip or something, but that wraps it. So as far as phone mounts go, I think this is the best one I've found for this truck. Quality's top notch. A lot of different options. You can put it in different places, move your phone around a lot and stuff, and it still stays out of the way. It's nice and secure. So please like and subscribe if you like this style of content. And then the next video is going to be a cool one. I got a really cool upgrade coming. It should be here next week or something. So appreciate you guys for sticking around. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Have a good weekend. All right, what are you going to say?
Bye.
Say please like and subscribe.
See what's the
That's right.
Bye.
All right, guys. Thanks again. Enjoy.